Okay guys, if you want to see how I made this refreshing healthy smoothie, keep watching this video. It has some great ideas. It's quick, it's easy, it's nutritional. Try it out. Keep on watching. Hi guys, good morning. So I am going to make a quick little smoothie slash refreshing drink, and I pretty much have my kiwi, I have some celery sticks, I have grapefruit, I have a sweetener which is called agave, or you can use honey. I don't usually use honey because I get itchy when I use honey. And I have some pineapple cubes, so I'm gonna add that to my smoothie. And this is just an idea, guys. You can make a smoothie with anything that you have. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing to make my smoothie. It's healthy, it's refreshing, it's a way to keep hydrated throughout the day. So I make this in the morning, and then throughout the day I will drink that to keep hydrated. So adding sweetener is optional, so you don't have to add a sweetener if you don't wish. Just get a lot of fruits and combine them and add water to it, and then you drink that throughout the day. Okay, so I'm gonna put all of these in my blender and make a healthy smoothie. Okay, so far I have 2 peeled grapefruit. If you have orange, that's just as well, just as good. You can get your vitamin C from your citrus, so whatever citrus you have, you can use orange or lemons or lime. I'm using grapefruit. So I have 2 small grapefruits, and I have removed the skin, and I'm just cutting them smaller so that they are easy to blend. I have 2 kiwi that I have peeled the skin off of. If they're organic, you can use them with the skin. If they're not organic, you can peel off the skin. Then I'm gonna cut these in smaller parts. And so now I have 2 kiwi. I have 3 organic celery sticks, which I also cut in smaller pieces, and all of those will be going into the blender, and add water to that. I also have my pineapple chunks, so I will use those in my smoothie. Those are usually sweet, so that's natural sugar, so you don't have to add any sweetener to your smoothie if you don't wish to. So now I have everything diced in my bowl. I'm gonna add that to my blender. So I have a Black & Decker blender, and that's what I'm using. So you can use whatever you have to make your smoothie. So now I have 3 cups of mixed fruits and vegetables in my blender. I'm just gonna add enough water, maybe half the amount of water to that, and then I will blend that. So I've separated the bowl, so I'll do half and half, and then make 1 jug. So now I have added the other remaining half of my fruits and vegetables. So I'm just topping that up with a little bit more water. want it too thick so that my blender won't function. So for the sweetener, I'm using a tablespoon according to my kitchen utensil, not the formal tablespoon. So I'll use maybe 1 or 2. This is optional. You don't have to add sweeteners if you don't need to. I know my grapefruit were a bit on the sour side, so that's why I'm adding a bit of sweetener to mine. So I have added 3 tablespoons of sweetener to mine. And okay guys, so I have made my smoothie. So it has kiwis, pineapple, it has a citrus, what is it, grapefruit, and I added my sweetener to it, and I will have that throughout the day to keep hydrated. And that's it, quick and easy. So you can use whatever fruits and vegetables that you have at home and make you a smoothie, and you can have that throughout the day. It's can be sugar free, it's optional, and it's healthy. You don't have to have pop and sweet drinks. If you don't want, you can always make a smoothie. Okay guys, thanks for watching.